wonderful to get to know women with the mystery, the joy, and the depth. If you can make a woman laugh, you are saying the most beautiful thing on God's earth. A woman is someone worthy of love and affection. A woman is worth more than you could ever imagine. A woman's worth surpasses all earthly things. Women are the strongest people I know. They are powerful. They are capable. Read about women in the Bible. Esther, Ruth, Martha, Mary. These women changed the world forever. And in each and every woman out there is that same power, that same strength, and that same world-changing capability. We all know that when women are empowered, they immeasurably improve the lives of those around them, their families, their communities, and their countries. On 9 August 1956, thousands of South African women, ranging from all backgrounds and cultures, including Indians, coloreds, whites, and blacks, staged a march on the Union buildings of Pretoria to protest against abusive pass laws. Estimates of over 20,000 women, some carrying young children on their backs, some wearing traditional dresses, and others dressed in their domestic outfits, all showed up to take part in the resistance against apartheid. The 1956 Women's March played a vital role in women becoming more visible participants in apartheid struggle. The march was a resounding success, and South Africa recognizes the bravery of these women who took a risk in arrest, detention, and banning by declaring 9 August a National Women's Day. Today, we also use their public holiday to celebrate the remarkable achievements and tenacious spirits of the fearless females who continue to advocate for change, defy norms, and stand up for what they believe in. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, anytime women come together with a collective intention, it's a powerful thing. Whether it's sitting down making a quilt, in a kitchen preparing a meal, or in a club reading the same book. When women come together with a collective intention, magic happens. A woman is like a tea bag. You never know how strong she is until she gets in hot water. Margaret Thatcher once said, "If you want something said, ask a man. But if you want something done, ask a woman." A woman is the full cycle. Within her is the power to create, nurture, and transform. As women, we have superpowers. We are sisters, we are mothers, we are healers, and we are goddess warriors. Proverbs 31, verse 30 to 31 says this: "Charm is deceptive, and beauty is fleeting, but a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. Honor her for all that her hands have done, and let her works bring her praise at the city gate." I have not yet spoken my last word about women. I believe that if a woman succeeds in withdrawing from the mess, or rather raising herself from above the mess, she grows ceaselessly and more than a man. Watinda bafazi, watinde mbogodo.